In the gate. And they're off. Royal Courier from the inside post hits the ground running, and just like that opens up. Royal Courier out to be the leader. Green Grotto comes away second. Pure Sensation on the outside in third. Malaya's away fourth toward the rail. Monster Mash comes out in fifth. Sam Sparkle in the clear on the outside, 6th by 3. Honor Code is 7th early on, 9 or 10 lengths behind as they race for the half-mile pole. Then it's Candyman E, and Great Attack is at the back. Heading for the fire turn, Royal Courier into the bit and on the lead. Green Grotto cranking up that pressure. First quarter was 22 and 1/5 seconds. 3 lengths back to Pure Sensation, giving chase at a third. And Monster Mash on the far outside is fourth. Malaya's tucked away fifth and toward the rail. Sam Sparkle's sixth. 5 lengths back to Honor Code, still 10 lengths behind and just a quarter mile to go. Royal Courier comes by the quarter pole in front. Green Grotto running in second. Malaya's locked and loaded in behind in third. Nowhere to go. Monster Mash on the far outside. Sam Sparkle down the center of the track. Pure Sensation is there too. Honor Code's going to try and pick through the pack, but is stopped at the 8th pole trying to find a seam. It's wide open. Malaya's come away with the lead. Here comes Honor Code. Honor Code on the outside. Malaya down inside. Honor Code from off the pace, and in-hand winner. Impressive effort from Honor Code. Returns a winner over Malaya second. Farther back, Monster Mash and Sam Sparkle.